You stay here. You give our mashra. As mashra, we will go. You see on the front line. And he said, when this whole used to go in confrontation of Islam, concentration of the deen of Allah, concentration of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, nobody came and stopped his horse. No, and he went. And he went, and Khalid bin Walid radiallahu anhu said that all the camels martyred. And he's coming back, Khalid radiallahu anhu, and he saw, you see, Ikrimah radiallahu anhu shaheed on one side, and his son shaheed on the other side, and Khalid radiallahu anhu sat down in the form of a tahiyyat, and he put the head of Ikrimah radiallahu anhu on one side, and the head of his son's face on the other side, and cleaning them, and he said, today, Abu Jahl ka beta bazi le gaya. Today the son of Abu Jahl is passed. You know? They gave the large brothers, they gave everything for the deen of Allah. Whenever tashkil anywhere, you see a piece of paper of the rulers given, not even told. Our tashkil is where we go 2 months before, we know it 6 months before, we know our tashkil. They said, this is your tashkil, and you're going to open it so many miles away, that is your route. You don't have it. Sahaba with me, they went far and wide. Because of them today, there's been in every country. You know, with their da'wah, Allah Ta'ala changed the languages of the people, the dress and the living of the people. You know, Allah Ta'ala changed all the culture of the people, you know, because of their da'wah. So this today also is why, how can we bring that figure of deen in our life, and how can we convey the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and how can this deen reach to our progenitors to come, and the whole of the human beings, not one person left to go without iman from dunya. This is the figure of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. For this one, they say, the first and foremost is to bring that figure of deen. How can the days of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam become our days? Nights of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, nights, and morning and evening, and you see how we see ours. So for this, inshallah, we requested before going anywhere. You see, amal will take place, inshallah. Al-Lanat will be made. Tashkil is a very important amal, an act of our effort, alhamdulillah, because his deen is to be in our life and then convey. It's just not, I have told the conveyed it to you, you convey it now. You subject matter. So who is ready 4 months naked, inshallah?
Who makes intention, inshallah?
Makes intention.
What's the name? Nasib.
4 months, mashallah. 4 months every year, 4 months naked, and we have Ijtima coming next week, inshallah, the 20th, 21st, and 22nd of September. Next weekend, not this weekend, next weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. From there, we have to give naked Jamaat. 4 months, 40 days Jamaat.
G.
From 90.
When? That's too far. No guarantee it will live till February. Inshallah, catch intention. Abdul Rahman.
Mashallah. Doesn't take intention, inshallah. Everything until October is cash.
G.
September 1st, then October.
Inshallah, everybody should stand up. Now it's our turn to speak. We want to present ourselves to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. G. Bejas. When? November, February. Except village. G. MashaAllah. कब से मेरा बहुत जल्दी अक्टूबर जल्दी तो ये आवाज जी
ये माशाल्लाह inshallah long as that also inshallah so all those that can't request it to remain behind and do dhikr inshallah
जी
and do du'as that nothing must be made from this majma inshallah Shiraz sahab mashallah जी all those that make here inshallah jazakallah khair name please Bashar sahab common walking Jamaat also over this. In the Mashra, in the month Mashra, we were given tasks that every 4 months, one Jamaat goes. Before they come back, other Jamaat is ready that we used to be there.
G.
So 4 months, inshallah.
What's the intention? 4 months? When? Now, inshallah.
So who's ready 4 months inshallah walking from the Jamaat? See, we are fully to make a demand, inshallah. Nothing is difficult, nothing is impossible.